This is going too far. Play Fortnite on the slowest computer you own. This is just going way too far. In today's video, I'm gonna go through my laptop collection and see what's my slowest machine that has DirectX 11, because that's what Fortnite can only run on. I can't just get a Windows XP machine like the free PC or something like that, really. I really can't. I would have to get something that has active exclusivity to DirectX 11. So something like an HP stream. I own 2 HP streams. Not by me liking them, by people giving them to me because they don't like them. These HP streams are really garbage. If you remember this computer from my first ever PC repair video, this one runs Linux, and this one runs Windows 10. This is an HP Stream 14 that has been, I think I have 8 gigabytes of DDR4 in it, and this is just a normal HP Stream from 2013. These are very basic machines, and they literally are only good at one thing: web browsing. And they struggle at that. So, in today's choice, I'm not going to use this one just because this has Linux on it, but I'll have it as a backup. This computer is in decent condition. It was brand new in box. One of my friends gave it to me, and I mean, it has a little bit of stains on it because it's been just sitting on a bookshelf for literally forever. And this is better because it has Ethernet port. Well, this one doesn't. If you want to get technical, here's the model number. It's basically just an HP stream though. It has been opened and by me, and it's identical to an HP stream. Let's get onto it, I guess. I mean, the first thing that we could do is see if it even turns on. I don't even think it has battery life. Oh, instantly. Okay, well, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, the screen is very good on this machine. This would have been just to show you guys. We're dealing with an AMD Radeon R. It has 2 cores, 4 gigs of DDR4 in this machine to eMMC SSD. What would have been better on this would be Tiny 10. I'm not gonna lie with you if we're gonna be doing any of this stuff, but we're gonna attempt to install Epic Games to play Fortnite. But before we can do any of that, we got to install GPU-Z. Now that we see that we have Vulkan enabled, we can run Fortnite in Vulkan. We also have OpenGL and stuff like that, which is great. Okay, so that means we can technically run Fortnite, so let's get it installed. As you guys saw in the start of the video, we only have 64 gigabytes. So what we would need to do is we would need to get an external hard drive. This is just a 1 terabyte SeaGate I had laying around, and it should work fine. Okay, welcome to Epic Games. We need to go find Fortnite. I think it's gonna be right there. Okay, a little bit after, like, almost a day, a little bit more than a day, the game finally installed, and we're going to attempt to launch it. I don't think it will launch, no struggles, but we're going to find out. It is taking a metric shit ton of time to load up here. Don't know why. Probably because it's running on an external hard drive. Oh my god, I'm connecting. I just hope it doesn't crash. Try to relaunch. Okay, well, I pressed relaunch, and it didn't relaunch, so I'm doing it again. Let's try with no graphics driver. One more time. I mean, we're doing with the graphics driver, just a little bit older. It's not launching. Okay, this is editing next. I'm gonna be dead honest. I'm gonna save you guys a ton of time. This kept happening. I have about 5 hours of footage of just straight trial and error, and I was getting the exact same error. I updated the graphics driver. I ran Linux. Son of a bitch. I did it in Tiny 10, and it wouldn't work whatsoever. I tried everything under the sun that you would think of, and I couldn't get it to work. If you guys did have any ideas on what could have fixed the issue, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll definitely go take a look at it. Other than that, let's get on to the video. Alright, well, I'm done. I'm not doing this anymore. I've spent 6 hours today waiting. Oh, fuck, I didn't want to bring this thing out. This, I built this like almost 10 years ago. This is, I don't even know, a pre-built gateway board, fan, a power button from an HP Pavilion, an SSD, and a random power supply, and a sorted RAM here, a zip tie. I don't know if this will perform better than what we had before, but God, I hope so. Just a little FYI, this is not like viable case. This is, I 3D printed this case. Can I get this to run Fortnite? This is the second slowest PC I have, next to the HP Stream that I just showed you guys. This is original thermal paste. I have not changed it. This was originally like an HP enclosure. I don't even want to get started into it. This doesn't run Fortnite in its native state. I think I'm gonna go throw in that the Western Digital from the $15 PC, and I'm pretty sure it has Epic Games installed, so I'm gonna throw that in here. Well, that's plugged in. The fan, I don't know. I guess we can just have it leaning. You can remote power button like a dyno. Ready? 3. Oh, I didn't even press the button. It posted. Is it gonna boot? It's booting. The fan's blowing the wrong way. If I put it like this, it's gonna fall. That's good. Is this what they call peak gaming? Yeah, $15 PC. I bet you guys weren't expecting this thing to show up on the channel, because I definitely wasn't. Actually, let's go check specs before I download Epic Games. Oh my god, thank the Lord. We got a solid 2 extra cores, 3 gigahertz, 16 gigs of DDR3, 33 megahertz. Install. If I had to reinstall Fortnite for the 3rd time. Yeah, if you didn't know, this hard drive is from the $15 PC. And here's a clip of the $15 PC. Oh my god, it's running. 4 FPS. This computer is running it at ultra 4 FPS. Yeah, ran BeamNG at 4K at ultra. I don't know how, but it did. And no, I'm not using this fucking dinosaur card. I don't have the PCIe connectors. And I don't feel like spending money. Oh my god, we're finally in the loading screen. Library. So you're gonna make me install Fortnite again. Oh my god. You know what that means. You already know what that. One graphic card later. Don't have sound for some reason. No fucking way. No way! We're fucking playing Fortnite! Oh my god, 2 weeks. Oh my god, we're playing Fortnite. I don't want to see this. Oh my god, we're playing Fortnite. What is all this stuff on my screen? It is running like dog shit. I'm running this at native. Oh my god, we're playing Fortnite. You do not understand the huge effect this has on my time and my happiness. I am ecstatic. I'm playing Fortnite on whatever this is. Got Fortnite to run on the fucking test bench. Can I play though? If you look at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, we're chilling at 60 frames per second. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my god, I'm in a game. Oh my god. 200 ping, 7 frames per second. Can I walk? This is revolutionary technology. I'm playing this on a Logitech trackpad and keyboard. Oh god, how do I thank the bus driver? Oh, don't, it's not space, it's not space, it's not space. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it's running pretty good. In the air, I'm getting about 60 FPS. Let me kill someone. Oh my god. Oh. I bet he didn't know he was gonna kill one of these. Oh my god, I'm playing Fortnite. Granted, I'm gonna be honest, this is a bit cheating. God damn it. So just like that, we managed to get Fortnite to run on my slowest machine, kinda. I know the GPU is kinda cheating. I had no choice. It was either this or nothing. So I'd take this than anything. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Also, again, thank you all for the support on the recent video I made. Oh my god, thank you guys so much. I gained at least 22 subscribers from that video. I really appreciate it. I will keep on making videos weekly. Every comment you guys leave will improve the quality, and I'm listening to every single comment, and I will reply to every comment where it's due. Thank you guys for watching. Take it easy, and have a great day. Or night, whatever time you're watching this.